The kind of unlock I'm having so far is at the moment I'm spending 100% of my time on the client success side in terms of just trying to improve the curriculum and trying to increase these numbers of people getting their first sale, etc. But I've spent basically zero time. Like I don't think I've reviewed a single sales team call, which is probably a bad idea. And
you can do both at once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can, especially because really your constraint is not 100% identifiable to client success. Yeah. And I think a lot of these things, it's not like, dude, like if I have a client whose constraint's actually client success, they're like, yeah, dude, my refund rate's 15%. Our Trustpilot is like going down, you know, I have 10 bad reviews on Reddit. It's like, okay, yeah, dude, you need to like fucking stop, you know, like you need to chill. Okay. You're not that. So you can improve the product as you're growing the company. And I think it'll start to help, you know, especially because like I try to, there's people who, again, you know, when I'm working with clients, I always can tell what their like natural tendency and stance is. Yep. Yours is much more client success focused. So I can already tell without knowing much more that you need to focus a little bit more over here. Yep. Right. Whereas there's other people who are like we mentioned, like the go. They got to scale to $1 million a month ASAP. Yep. And it's like, all right, dude, like maybe you should try to get some referrals, you know, like maybe you need to like, you don't have to get there tomorrow, like slow it down because faster up is a lot of times faster down. So you'll see a lot of people in this industry, they'll get to $1 million a month or 2 million. I mean, sometimes like even more than that, like 4 or 5 million a month, but they don't stick around. It's very rare. There's very few people. This is why I respect Dean Graciosi so much, is that he's been doing this for like fucking 30 years or something, like at least 25. I don't know the exact number. It's a lot. And just consistent crushing it, which is super rare. If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.